Welcome back everyone. Today we got 2016 Chevy Malibu LT. It's not 2020 or 21 or 22 unlike my other car I do review, but this is 2016 Chevy Malibu LT. Now despite being a couple year older vehicle, this car is packed with features. First of all, you have this massive 7-inch infotainment screen with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the most important one in Chevy vehicle is something called Onstarlink. Now Chevy and a couple other car companies has Onstarlink, through which you have access to 4G LTE Wi-Fi and you can control your car through an app, so just like a Tesla. Now if you want to see night driving on this car, then click on the top right link you see on the video. This car actually looks even better at night because of its interior lighting. You're gonna be surprised with it. Now this car has 160 horsepower, has 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and gives you 27 on city and 37 on highway on average. The fuel tank capacity is 13 gallon, and this car, the model is beautiful. It's just beautiful. And you have this keyless feature entry. All you have to do is keep the key fob in your pocket. You don't have to take it out or anything. Now let's see how the driving goes. The car looks amazing.